Hey guys, how are you? Mac here. So, wanted to share a couple of thoughts. Been thinking about this. So, Instagram, right, is one of the happening channels on social media. So, right now, if you really want to expand your presence, there are like 4 or 5 key channels you need to uh, start building your presence. Not necessarily on all the channels at one at a time, but if you can, that's great. But if not, I would highly urge you to focus on maybe 1 or 2 channels where you will get most bang for the buck, because at the end of the day you have limited amount of time, right? And then you can only do so much to build your presence. So that is like a sidebar tip, but I wanted to talk to you about Instagram, right? So Instagram is one of the happening channels on the social media, and it went through a series of revelations. So it is at a point today where Facebook was maybe about a couple of years back, right? So it is trying to follow Facebook's footsteps in many ways. So for example, right, few years back, Facebook had enormous organic reach, and Instagram was in the same boat just maybe about last year or so, right? But then since last year May onwards, 2019 May onwards, it completely decimated the organic reach. And what had happened, right? I used to get at least 100+ likes whenever I used to post something. And Instagram is big on hashtags. Hashtag is something, is like a unique keyword, and then if certain people are following that hashtag, they end up seeing your post, or at least they used to end up seeing your post, and then you used to get more likes. So Instagram is big on, or was big on hashtag. It is still big on hashtags. And last year, right, they completely changed their algorithm, and then as a result my organic reach suffered big time. So whenever I used to post with or without hashtags, I used to get at least 100+ likes. I have about 4,000+ followers, and then I'm following about similar amount of people. So the point that I'm trying to make here is my organic reach suffered just like anybody else's, right? So whenever I post something now on Instagram, I get hardly like 10-20 likes, right? So that thing has been churning around in my mind for last few months. Like, how can I end up increasing my reach, right? How can I go back to my original state, right? And then not too long back, just a couple of days back, I came across one of the so-called influencers account on Instagram, and he has close to more than 40k followers, 40,000 followers, right? So when I when I looked into his post, I went there quite optimistically to see what kind of reach he is getting, right? And he himself has been completely decimated as well by the Instagram's algorithm. And whenever he's posting, he's getting like 20-30 likes, right? Even though he has like close to more than 40,000 followers. So the point that I'm trying to make here is that even though I have 4,000 followers, that person, right, and somebody, I have followed him quite a long time, and his his organic reach has been suffered quite a lot, right? So as I started digesting this, right, couple of thoughts came into my mind. Number one is whether you are respected thought leader, influence, or somebody just like me, right, who's trying to get there to that next level, right? Whether whatever person you might be, right, there is nothing you can do about Instagram in terms of their algorithm, the way they control their policies, rules, regulations, norms, right? That is beyond anybody's control. So keep that in mind. Number two is I took great solace in finding that I'm not the only one who is suffering from the diminishing reach whenever somebody is posting, right? So I've been posting every other day on Instagram, and I've been getting like 10, 12, 15 likes, right? So I can when I compare my account with that person's account, right? I'm taking that solace now that hey, I'm not that bad, or I'm not that it's okay if I'm getting like 10, 15 likes. If somebody else who is ahead of me so many years, right, in this industry, in spite of him having like 40,000 plus followers, right, he's still getting perhaps a similar number of likes, right? So that was number 2 point, right? Number 2 point. Number three is basically comparison is a thief of joy, right? I should not compare myself with other person or any other person for that matter, right? Everyone has their own destiny, and the comparison is good to a certain degree, because then it allows you to come up with some kind of baseline. It allows you to hit the next set of goals. It allows you to step up. So from that perspective, from that angle, it is all good. But from the other angle, don't compare yourself too much with somebody else, right? Everyone has their own destiny. You focus on your own journey, your own destiny, and then things will happen or may not happen, right? So that was number 3 point. And I think, yeah, that's pretty much it. Those 3 points I wanted to started thinking about that, right? So Instagram, number one, the policies, rules, regulations is beyond anyone's control, right? Number two, the organic reach has completely been decimated, whether you are a regular person or somebody who is influencer, right? Number two. Number three is comparison is a thief of joy. Use it sparingly to your advantage. And number four is don't let these algorithms affect you, your emotions, your behavior, and in terms of whether you should be posting or not, right? So keep some kind of consistency, some kind of relevancy in terms of your niche, in terms of your field, in terms of your subject matter expertise, and keep on keeping on, basically. So don't worry about whether the algorithm reaches down or not. At the end of the day, your whole and soul goal should be two things. Number one is to add value, whatever social media channels you might be on, so LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, right? Your goal, singular goal should be add value, enjoy, right? Enjoy posting on that, right? Don't post it just for the sake of getting more likes. And number three is just keep on keeping on, consistently post out there, and at the end of the day, your goal also should be to drive traffic to your home base, whatever that might be. So it could be a landing page, it could be a website. So make sure that your post is trying to achieve, it is trying to help you achieve that goal. So that was my spiel, that was my some kind of thoughts on the Instagram, social media. I hope you got something out of that. Feel free to revert back. Talk to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.